Alright guys, today I just want to talk about these headbands. Every time I find something that I really like that we buy, or something I really don't like, I like to share my experience and hopefully somebody can learn from it. But my wife decided to order these for my daughter's birthday party, and they were a real big hit. So I figured I'd share that experience with you guys, and we ordered these online. I'll find the link and leave it for you down in the description. But they came pretty quick and they were great. You know, I mean, we had a ton of these, so we ordered 4 bags of them, and there were 30 in each bag. So we didn't know how many people were going to come, and we figured the parents, you know, could get in on it. So we rather have a little more than a little less. We ended up with an extra bag. So we actually used 3 of the bags. And what comes in it is these little headbands, hair bands, whatever you call them. They have these little teeth, and they kind of pull, like comb up your hair, so they stay in, they don't slip out because of that little grip there. I don't know if you could see it. And they came with a bunch of colors, so the boys wore some, the girls wore some, and everybody loved them, and they just turned the mood a lot funner, and they were a nice, like a party favor type thing. Or if you're, you know, you can do it for maybe, I don't know, I think birthday parties, unicorn birthday parties are probably what they're best suited for. My wife now, since we have so many left over, she uses them to put on makeup in the morning because this holds her hair back, and to wash her face at the end of the night. And my kids still play with them from time to time. So they're a really cool little accessory to have at the party. And they just made things a lot funner, and everybody had a great time with them. So check them out, and yeah, we'll see you next time.